Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we will be discussing the heart structure, heart chambers, and little bit about blood supply. First of all, heart has four chambers. Heart has four chambers. Two atrium and two ventricles. Okay, heart valves. Heart has four valves. Four valves. Two atrioventricular valves and two is called semilunar valves. Okay.